Hello everyone. Let's learn about vowel sounds. Come on, meet the short vowel sounds. There are 7 short vowel sounds. Most of them, you will find them in the CVC words, that is the consonant vowel consonant combination words. Take a look at the table. There are 5 vowel sounds. A, E, I, O, U are the vowel letters. The examples are cat, peg, pin, hot, hut. All these are short vowel sounds. Apart from this, you also have U and the squaw. I'm doing a separate segment on it later. Come on, now let's meet the long vowel sounds. You find the long vowels at the end of a syllable. Example, me, me. Silent E makes the previous vowel long. Look at this word bike, B-I-K-E. E is silent, hence the vowel I is long. Bike, bike. Vowel teams can make the long sound. Look at this word feet. You have double E, that is 2 vowel sounds side by side. So you have a long vowel sound, feet, feet. When it comes to vowels I or O, if they are placed before 2 consonants, then it has a long sound. Example, C-O-L-D. LD are the 2 consonants. The vowel O is before the 2 consonants. So it has the long vowel sound, cold, cold. Likewise, M-I-N-D, mind, mind. Look at this list of words. I'm going to do a few of them random. The rest of it, you practice as many times as possible. Look at the vowels, position of the vowel, and then whether you are able to use them with the long vowel sound. Okay, let me start. Music, hero, basic, silent, lady. Try the rest. Good luck.